If you accidentally deleted someone on Snapchat, in this video I'll show you how to find and re-add deleted friends. First of all, launch your Snapchat and tap on the search icon at the top. Next, type your friend's username, display name or phone number. If their profile shows up with an add button, you found them. After that, look through chat history. If you had a conversation with that friend before deleting them, tap on the chat tab and scroll to see if chat still exists. Tap on their profile and tap on add friend. Or if you cannot remember their username, go to any browser you prefer and type in accounts.snapchat.com. Then log into your account and tap on My Data. Submit a request to download your data and look in the friends list section of the downloaded file. Your deleted friend's username might be listed there. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.